What do you want to buy?
Want something.
What something is that?
It's the purple one.
Huh?
That one.
Purple one? No. You ask mommy first, not me. Okay? Sometimes you ask me, but sometimes you ask mommy. Not only me, okay? Because sometimes mommy said yes, but sometimes mommy said no. Right? So you have to ask permission first. Okay? Yes? Yes?
Yesterday I let mommy buy that one, but I buy two I want.
Yes, you buy the other thing, you like the pizza one, right?
Not pizza.
That pizza.
No,
Pizza candy.
not pizza.
What's that?
It's a happy birthday
Ah, okay. I forgot. It's a
to
hamburger.
you.
Yeah, I'm silly. But you choose the big one, the hamburger one. Yeah, not the purple one. Yes. Mm. So next time when you go with mommy, you ask, okay? But you always quiet. You always good. So anytime you ask something, then it's okay, right? But if you are not good, what happened? What happened? Nothing ka dyan. What happened if you are not good? You cannot ask for, you cannot ask. Okay? You go there, oh. You go there. Go. Okay, stand up there. Stand up. Hey, you, come here. Come here. Hi, Gigi. Wow. Go. I'm coming. Naglaro na ang bata. Tayo na, let's go na. Hey, you, come here. Hindi mo lumusot pa. Dali na. All right. Look up there, oh. What's inside? You can see inside. What's this? Hmm. What's inside? Oh, wow. Turn around. There, oh. You can see the smile one. Smile. Oh, you stand up and then take a photo. Wow. And then the other side.
Toilet.
The other side.
Now I want to go to the toilet.
Toilet. Let's go home. Let's go home na. Faster. Okay? Because why? You drink a lot. Right? All right. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
I'm coming home, mommy. So here we have sports house. Uniqlo. Yeah. So may Uniqlo tayo dito. Anytime can go in. And marami-rami pa. Hanggang tingin lang tayo kasi wala tayong... Oh, yes, your favorite Hello Kitty. Mm. Hanggang tingin lang tayo kasi alanganin tayo sa budget, no? Huwag puro bili. Save dapat, no? So, bye guys.
When I baby, I'm good.
So, yan ang activity ko ngayon.
Listen.
Mm.
When I baby, I'm good.
Ha?
And when I baby, I'm good.
You're good? Yes, you're always good.
Baby.
Hiya? Now, you're good or not? Huh? You're good or not? I think not. Sometimes you're naughty. Sometimes you are so smart. And sometimes you are so cute. Sometimes you are what? What? So, yan na guys. What's that?
Just like this.
Something. What's this? Oh, I don't know. Oh, it's a play area. I think it's a badminton area. Maybe. I don't know. Let's go home. Let's go home. We are home. Come in. That one is restaurant, right? It's a restaurant. Oh, kaya it's not play area, it's a restaurant. But they are closed already. Huh? Guys, ang time natin ngayon is 5:30, okay? No? Ngayon lang, every Tuesday lang siya nga mag-whole day. But the rest of the week ay half day lang siya. Pero sa susunod na um, school year, whole day na talaga siya. Ay makapagpahinga na ako ng mahaba-haba, no? Magkakaroon na ako ng beauty rest. Ngayon, hindi pa ako magkakaroon ng beauty rest. Ayun. So guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Say bye-bye to them. Bye, guys.